Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, open Settings, then General, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone to begin. You need your device passcode and sometimes your Apple ID password. Make sure you have both ready. This step targets network settings only. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and APN information will be cleared. Personal photos and apps remain. Once here, choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. Do this deliberately because it immediately removes saved networks. You will reconnect after the restart. After you tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone passcode when prompted, and then confirm the action. If asked, enter your Apple ID to approve. The phone restarts automatically. Wait patiently, because network configuration rebuilds during reboot. While it restarts, the system clears saved SSIDs, Bluetooth pairings, VPN profiles, and carrier-specific APN or cellular tweaks. Once done, the device boots to the lock screen. Make sure to unlock and stay nearby, because you will reconnect networks and reauthorize accessories. You finish by reconnecting to Wi-Fi and re-entering any router passwords. Repair Bluetooth devices and restore VPN profiles or APN settings as required. Then verify cellular service and data. Also check for carrier settings update in Settings right arrow General right arrow About. If a network still fails, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds and restart the iPhone. This often forces a fresh carrier handshake. If service remains broken, contact your carrier. Sometimes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.